Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1985, Disneyland began operating 7 days a week throughout the year. Up until that time, Disneyland would often be closed on Mondays and Tuesdays in the off-season, including early spring, fall, and winter. The closure days were used for work, to keep the park updated, the attraction maintenance, and other things like that. Interestingly enough, Magic Kingdom and EPCOT at Walt Disney World have always been open daily year-round, even before 1985. Pretty cool, huh? Did you know this one? I did. Anyway, have a magical day.